Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of Laguna Moon's Soak Off UV LED Gel Polish in the base coat and the No Wipe top coat, and I'm also going to show you how to create some marble nails. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. I'm going to start by applying Laguna Moon's gel base coat to all of my nails and then curing under an LED lamp for about a minute. The base coat does have a sticky layer, so I'm going to rub that off using a cotton ball dipped in rubbing alcohol. Next, I'm going to apply 2 coats of Nails Inc Whiteout to all of my nails. While I'm waiting for the polish to dry, I'm going to apply Edge Perfection all around my nails for easy cleanup. Then I'm going to take a small piece of a makeup sponge dipped in a very light shade of gray acrylic paint and dab that all over my nail to give the marble some dimension. Next, with a slightly darker shade of gray and a detail brush, I'm going to be painting on some cracks at random places all over my nail. Marble is not perfect, so the less straight your lines are, the better. I'm going to use the same detail brush dipped in a slightly darker shade of gray to add some depth to these cracks. I'm being sure to apply very little pressure because I want these lines to be a lot skinnier. Next, I'm going to highlight some of these cracks by applying some rose gold to the areas where the lines are really thick, and this is Revlon's Copperglaze Platinum. I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection using a pair of tweezers and apply 1 coat of Laguna Moon's gel top coat. This is going to bring the whole design together and add a super long-lasting shine. I'm going to cure this under the LED lamp for about a minute. And you're done! Here is the finished design. Overall, I do like Laguna Moon's gel base coat and top coat. I mean, you can never really have too many base coat or top coats, so this was a nice addition to my collection. I particularly liked how the top coat did not have a sticky layer to wipe off, so it saved me some time in the process. If you want to purchase Laguna Moon's gel base coat or top coat, I'll leave a link in the description box below to where you can find it on Amazon.com, and I'll also have a coupon code that you can use until October 31st, 2018 to get 45% off. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!